To pay with a QR code using a credit card, follow these steps. Merchant QR code. When making a purchase, the merchant will present a QR code either on their website, mobile app, or a physical display at the point of sale. Open Payment app. Ensure you have a payment app that supports QR code transactions. Popular options include digital wallets or banking apps. Scan QR code. Open the Payment app and use the scanning feature to scan the merchant's QR code. Enter payment amount. After scanning, the payment app will typically prompt you to enter the payment amount for the transaction. Select credit card payment. Choose the credit card as your preferred payment method within the app. Review and confirm. Review the transaction details, including the payment amount and merchant information, then confirm the payment. Authenticate payment. Depending on the app and security features, you may need to enter your credit card details, CVV, or use biometric authentication. Receive payment confirmation. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message or receipt within the payment app. Check credit card statement. Verify the transaction on your credit card statement to ensure accuracy.